Well done, sir. Well done. Mr. Dimple watered some vegetables some times ago in some of our past video. Now he used deep irrigation. But the why you might be thinking, how can I water my vegetable when I don't have thousands or millions of naira? Not only vegetable, how can I water my plants without spending thousands of millions of naira fixing borehole, well, and deep irrigation? That is too expensive. My little farm, even container garden that I'm doing, how can I water? You can see this type of local watering system is doable. You can use you can see this man, a farmer, experienced one, watering his plant. He never depended on deep irrigation. Straight from the well. You can see the well. Maybe you think, this man is not really telling us the truth. I will show you. Let's get to the well. See the well. He gets water from here, from this well, and see from the well down to the plant. Though it's very, very stressful, because before short time the water inside the can will finish, but it is doable. That is what I'm trying to let you know. Now he's going back to the well to get more water. You can see how stressful it might be, but it is doable. You don't need to wait for deep irrigation. It's not an excuse. I don't have thousands of naira to build irrigation, but the man is watering. He is doing his best watering the plant using local method of irrigation, of watering. You can see local method of watering. It is not an excuse. I don't have money. I don't have thousands of naira, millions of naira to arrange for deep irrigation to water my plant, but you can use local method of watering. As this man is watering, you see the plants are enjoying the water. You can see it's deep watering the plant, despite the fact that there is no deep irrigation, there is no water system attached to what he's doing, but he's planting, and he planted and he's watering. You can do that as well. So there is no need to complain that I don't have water system, I did not build water irrigation, I cannot water my plant. You can do it. So let's try and water our plant, and water very well. There is no essence, there is no need of planting when you cannot water. How can it be? You are planting your seed, your plant, and there is no water. The plant will die. The plant will die, and it will not even work well. See, he's back again with the water, trying to water all this plant, and he's deeply watering. So that is the way to water. Don't just water, deep water. Water deeply, so that the water will enter the soil deep down to the root of the plant, and the plant will enjoy drinking that water. Not just watering, deep watering. See, the water is entering deep down to the soil. Deep down, I mean deep down. The water is entering deep down to the soil. So next time we water, let's water deeply, and there's no excuses on I don't have means of watering. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video or you enjoy this video, please like the video, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up, so that you keep watching video on irrigation. Next time we'll meet this man who is going to teach us more about irrigation. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.